much do we people owe trees for what they give always to us? Oxygen, wood, beauty, and a lot of wisdom in life. Music of the whisper of the trees, bear whistle, and the human desire to sing. The beauty of forests has given us the desire to make paper, to draw, and write about nature. Firmness and elasticity of wood of the trees gave us trust and protection and borne the sense of security for us and our families. CASArbor believes fully in wood culture. CASArbor designs and builds houses rediscovering the advantages of wooden construction because wood is a living material, moldable, protector and friendly. The first CASArbor project in Romania was completed in September 2017. Set in a fairy tale landscape at the foot of Făgăraș Mountains, at only 14 kilometers from the city of Făgăraș and very close to Brașov, framed harmoniously in Color Mountain area, it was built the first CASArbor house. In line with the CASArbor philosophy, house can be briefly described by the slogan of those who built it. Nature is at home, your home is in nature. The whole construction is made only of wood. Even the roof is shingled. Warm, natural wood color, the architecture with a strong accent of mountain home reminds of alpine chalets, safe and warm. The house is located on the edge of a small mountain pond. On an area of 160 square meters, it mirrors in the cold mountain waters which it warms with its image. Construction has ground floor and first floor. From the veranda on the ground floor, with little effort we can climb up on an ergonomic, carefully polished wooden staircase and get upstairs. Here we pleasantly discover another very spacious veranda, from where you can watch the beautiful mountain scenery, quietly breathing fresh air that only a pure nature can provide to you. Upstairs and downstairs, all exterior and interior is made of wood. 4 bedrooms and a bathroom offers a welcoming space for resting. Without detracting from the unitary concept of the project, at the left of the house, right on the shore of the pond, in an area of 108 square meters, CASArbor built entirely of wood, as the people say around here, a summer kitchen. A very spacious, bright building with 3 rooms. Even if you are in the room, you have the feeling that you are out in nature. A concept that respects the gifts in nature of which we are part. CASArbor managed to complete the entire project in only 5 months. This was possible because sandwich walls plated inside and out with paneling, rafters, wood windows with triple-layer glass doors, stairs, floors, roof shingles and other items. According to the project, they were made at the factory in Sfântu Gheorghe and then transported to the construction site where they were assembled. That all components were produced in the factory after drawings using precision machinery resulted in a rapid and precise assembly, a right finish and reduced staff. In addition, transport in a rugged area became relatively easy. The result, a solid house, sustainable, well-sealed, integrated harmoniously into the purity of a mountain landscape through the architectural concept and color. The philosophy is that living in such a house, you feel that nature is at home. CASArbor is a dynamic company with a vision that is central to man in a sustainable society. Every year, dozens of wooden chalets are sent to France, both the highlands and the coast and picturesque camping sites of this country. These wooden chalets are made in kit systems, so the owners keen to build on their own vacation home have an installation manual with stages of assembly, manual well designed and developed by civil engineers from CASArbor. These are low-class cabins, but where every centimeter offers comfort and utility. Wooden chalets where the warmth of wood creates wonderful feeling of home. We have also started a new project in Belgium on the North Sea coast.